Ask yourself this question. When did my spouse start cheating on me? Is it before the courtship or after your wedding? Because sincere answer to this question will help you to know how to stop him or her from cheating on you. But my focus in today's video will be how to stop a spouse that started cheating after wedding. It may be 2 years after your wedding, 3 years after your wedding, but the cheating all began in your marriage. So I'm going to give you just three simple things to do. Number one, have heart to heart talk with your spouse to really know what led them to cheating. Why in this marriage? Because this is very important for you to proceed to how you can help them to stop cheating on you. So you must make sure that you are calm in your discussion with your spouse in order for you to know the root of the matter. What led him, what led her to cheating on you? Then, after you have known the cause, the next step for you to take is to address this politely in a way for you to get the results you desire in your spouse. The cause had been known. It may be because you are not available for him, you are not available for her. So for you to stop your spouse from cheating, make sure that you yourself, you change where necessary in order for you to stop him or her from cheating on you. These are the three major steps that you can use to stop your spouse from cheating on you. The first one I said is for you to have heart-to-heart talk. And through heart-to-heart talk, you know the state, what led him or her to cheat on you. Then you proceed to find these solutions on your own on how to help him or her to stop cheating on you.